Today I show you how to make the Buckthorn Berry Tea. These are buckthorn berries and they have a lot of vitamins and minerals and whatever. These are frozen, so I'm gonna throw them in the cup before they defrost too much. Okay, so I have my buckthorn berries ready for the tea. You can eat them as they are. They have a very distinctive taste and a bit sourness. They have a lot of vitamin C, a lot of vitamins. This is not a nutritional advice, but if you mix buckthorn berries with honey and bee pollen, it would make like a super energy mix. Buckthorn berry can also be, you can have it as a tea. So maybe I will show you in the glass. Okay, so the glass, I just use the glass to show you the contents, but you should normally use a cup. I would use the mug like this. You can put honey or sugar if you want, but I prefer not to. So I have my hot water. Try not to break the glass. Okay. So frozen berries will defrost once you throw them in. This is all, I do this all so that the glass doesn't break. If it was in a mug, I wouldn't need to do this. So now I take a fork, just smash them to the edges. It becomes this really interesting orange color. And I put the rest of the water, hot water, and that's the buckthorn berry tea. The tea should not be too hot because you want all the good stuff, all the vitamins in this tea to be working. So I can make it also here. The color is really amazing on it. It looks really good. Okay, so let's give it a try. It gets really sour. If you don't put sugar, it's really sour. It's almost, it tastes like you put lemon in it. But try to drink it without sugar. But if you do need some sweet, if you do need a bit of sweetener, use a half spoon of honey or 1 teaspoon of honey or half teaspoon of honey or more if you want. But the color is really amazing. when you get some of the berries in, some of the berries will stay as they are, pieces. You don't need to remove them. As you drink them, you chew the berries as you drink the tea, and enjoy it. Chew the berries from the tea slowly as you drink it, and enjoy it. Buckthorn Berry Tea. These ones I didn't squash them, so they didn't get mixed so much. Squashed is better.